technically afternoon, we are on our way to Cornwall for the weekend for a Christmas Cornwall vlog for the build up to Christmas Day. I'm dressed in my happy little Viking self and we are at Gloucester Services. British littering. Good morning from Cornwall, where we come live to you with a windstorm of up to 80-mile-an-hour winds here in beautiful, beautiful Cornwall. Today we are going to go look around the, I don't even know if you can hear me, we're going to go look around and look at this windstorm, maybe see some ginormous waves. We're gonna get back inside. Oh wait, Junior locked us out. Safe it's going to be to go down there without getting like lightly exfoliated. Oh, what's that?
Where are you?
I don't know, but we're in the middle of a really bad storm with up to 80-mile-an-hour winds on the beach of the coast. I do not condone dangerous activity on YouTube, but this is fucking cool. grown shed. My eyes are killing me. And it's like I keep saying, it's very, very hard to breathe. This is very intense. Hiding behind this wall because it's just got picked up really bad. I think our car alarm's going off. Like that bit over there, and I was like, I can't breathe. Yeah. And then I panicked and then came back.
The rocks are as soft as anything. I'm not going to stack it.
It hurt my legs then.
What do you think?
In a galaxy far, far away.
Yeah. This is intensely slow. I felt for ages. Mark's spotted now. I can't tell. Oh my god. Well, my hands are like dried and like I did henna last night, that's why my hands are yellow. Thanks to somebody. I don't even look to sunrise. Holy crap. Oh.
So this is Carn Euny. It was a little settlement found by a farmer one day when he decided to plough his field. And the people the English Heritage have come and looked at it and they have no idea what the purpose of it is, other than it was a little settlement.
One of those days where we do slightly dangerous things. This is interesting. I'm a little bit frightened. It's a little scary. Are you scared? Nervous? This way. We almost lost the hat. ancient site, I think. Super ancient site. It's like the Hobbit, the Shire. So they don't know what this was used for, everyone has their assumptions. Tell us your story again last time you were here.
We met a warlock.
We met a warlock, and then there were loads of candles, like burnt wax candles.
Yeah, he was like, oh, I can care for moon ceremonies.
Yeah.
And I was like, okay.
I'm gonna go in, not too far because it's flooded, but let's have a little look, shall we?
Sounds like the sun fire.
With like a rock or something in the middle of it.
Oh.
You see the supporters of stuff.
Let's go in. Inside. Oh wow. We're inside. Let me show you what I'm looking at. Like chanting?
That's the shot from the window.
What that looks like. I feel like religious, spiritual.
Yeah, definitely spiritual thing. That's what the warlock said.
Like a temple. The person who ran the temple lived there, and that was a temple in there.
That's all it really is, quite clear, isn't it?
Yeah.
Are we ready?
Yes.